Continue to use the controller currently in use while preparing the replacement controller. Preparing the replacement controller. Before powering on the LifeSPARC replacement controller, verify that controller batteries are charged and properly installed, and the power cord is connected to AC power. To power on the controller, press the controller power button. There should be no other connections made to the controller or buttons pushed during the controller startup. When all power on self-tests are completed successfully, the controller will automatically proceed to the lock screen at the speed of 3500. If the controller is powered on without AC power, it will operate under battery power. The Now on Battery Power alarm will be displayed upon completion of power on self-tests. Press the menu button to navigate to the pump settings screen and adjust the replacement controller speed to match the speed on the current controller. The replacement controller is now ready to connect the pump. Changing to the replacement controller. To change the LifeSPARC pump to the replacement controller, disconnect the pump drive line from the existing controller and fully insert the pump drive line into the pump receptacle on the replacement controller, aligning the red lines, until it locks in place. Press the pump start button to restart the pump. Connect the flow sensor cable to the replacement controller to display the measured flow. If the controller exchange was performed due to a system or critical failure, report the failure to LivaNova via the local representative or the 24/7 clinical support service at 800-373-1607.